will start in 3, 2, 1, dive!
Qualification match number 16 underway. C-Tech not quite able to get that coral scored. AO5 Annex managing to get one of the algae off of the reef. Blue Line seems to have lined up by their reef, and they have gotten one coral up, scored by 4488 Shockwave. As they move over to the blue coral station, and they are lining up once again alongside their alliance partners, Bite Sized, both lining up for L4. Shockwave is successful. Pandemonium seems to be trying to join them, and it looks like they managed to get, or they didn't quite get, a coral into L1. Over on the red side of the field, C-Tech lining up with their robot going up to L3. It does stick, and Sodabots over on the other side of the reef try their best to score some L1, but they don't quite get it, and it looks like their intake seems to be falling apart. Let's see if they can manage to bring themselves through this match successfully. It does look like they're still able to score even with that broken robot. AO5 Annex with a coral lining up to the reef with that massive energy chain. Let's see if their elevator goes up soon. Not quite. And C-Tech lines up to the coral station. They have grabbed one. It looks like AO5 was successfully able to place that coral. Sodabots with that broken intake have gone over to the blue side of the field to play some defense against 4488, the main scoring force on the blue side of the field. Shockwave trying to grab a coral through the defense, and they do manage to swerve around and get one. Lining up to the far side of the reef, although it does look like they've gotten all of them. So they're lining up again to a different spot. Will they be able to get that L4? Bite-sized Robotics looking like they're struggling with their elevator. That coral not quite all the way in, and 4488 Shockwave is good. On the other side of the field, C-Tech managing to score a row of L3s. And we are now in the endgame period, but no one is going to climb yet. 3 deep cages on the red side of the field. Looks like Sodabots is lining up, but I don't know if they have a mechanism to be able to climb. Shockwave also just sitting underneath the barge, not doing a bunch. And that is it, the end of the match. It looks like all 3 red robots were able to park under the barge just at the end. Walking away from this match, 43-39, a very close match, the difference of just a couple coral. 4 ranking points being awarded to that blue side of the field.